Hello students, welcome to English Edu. Today we will discuss the poem Rain on the Roof by Coates Kinney from CBSE Class 9 English book Beehive. So this poem was written by Coates Kinney. He was a lawyer, politician, journalist and poet from the United States. From the title of the poem, Rain on the Roof, we can make out that the poem is about rain. The poet is telling us about the memories of the rain. The sound of the raindrops falling on the roof of his house brings back sweet memories of the past. So now, students, let's read stanza 1. When the humid shadows hover over all the starry spheres, and the melancholy darkness gently weeps in rainy tears. What a place to press the pillow of a cottage chamber bed and lie listening to the patter of the soft rain overhead. Let's move on to the word meanings. First of all, humid means something which is full of moisture. Shadows refers to the moisture-laden clouds which cast a shadow on the earth. Hover means move around something. Melancholy means sad, and bliss means happiness. Patter. We have often heard this word patter. Sound of raindrops falling on the roof. Cottage chamber means the bedroom. So, in the first stanza, the poet is saying that when the humid shadows hover, here humid shadows refers to dark clouds which are full of water. The poet is saying when the sky is full of these clouds which are full of water. The poet is saying when the sky is full of these clouds which are moisture laden, are full of water and are about to bring rain. When such clouds hover around in the sky over all the starry spheres refer to the sky at night, which is full of stars. So at that time, huge clouds which are full of moisture move around in the sky, and the sad darkness of the night is wiped off by the raindrops which seem like tears falling from the sky. The poet is comparing raindrops to tears, and he says that the dark sky, which is very sad, it appears as it is crying, and the raindrops are the tears shed by it. He adds that it is like a blessing to lie on the bed in his room, which is cottage chamber, which means bedroom, and listen to the sound made by raindrops falling on the roof. Here, the poet has used several poetic devices in the poem. So, let's discuss the poetic devices used in stanza 1. First one is alliteration. Now, alliteration is the repetition of a consonant sound in two or more consecutive words. For example, see these two words, humid and hover. These both words start with same consonant sound, that is H. H sound is repeating here. Next example is starry spheres. These two words also start with same consonant sound, that is S. So in the next example also, press and pillow. These two words also start with the same sound, that is P. And in the last example also, you can observe lie and listening. So L sound is repeating here also. Next one is onomatopoeia. The use of sound words to create a dramatic effect and auditory imagery. So here, patter is the use of sound word. It is the sound made by the raindrops falling on the rooftop. Next one is personification. It means treating a non-living thing as a living being. For example, in this poem, darkness has been personified when he says that it is sad. The explanation of stanzas 2 and 3 will be taken up in the upcoming videos. Thank you.